Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Owlet Dreamsock is having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, you're certainly not the only one experiencing this issue. A weak signal, incorrect network settings, or a temporary communication problem can sometimes prevent the Owlet Dreamsock from establishing a stable connection. Fortunately, this doesn't necessarily mean that there's something wrong with the device itself. In many cases, a few simple adjustments are enough to restore connectivity and get everything working normally again. Before trying more advanced solutions, there are several easy troubleshooting steps worth checking. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple methods that may help fix Wi-Fi connection problems with your Owlet DreamSock. Try these. Step 1. Place the Owlet DreamSock and its base station closer to the Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Verify that the Owlet DreamSock is being set up with the correct wireless network. Step 3. Restart the Owlet DreamSock and the associated base station. Step 4. Reboot the home router and reconnect the Owlet DreamSock. Step 5. Check the companion app settings related to the Owlet DreamSock connection. Step 6. Confirm that the Owlet DreamSock is successfully connected and syncing normally over Wi Fi.